Hello and welcome back to Code Key. In this video, we'll be talking about palindrome numbers. In previous video, we have discussed the problem on counting digits. This is the second chapter of mathematics, data structures and algorithm in Python. Let's get into it. So what exactly are palindrome numbers? Palindrome numbers are the numbers which, when reversed, are the same as original number. Let us take an example. We have a number, we have a number called as 123 or 121. If I reverse this number, I'm going to get the same number. Similarly, if I have the number something like, you know 123, if I reverse, I'm going to get 321, which is not a palindrome number. Okay, we're going to go through the palindrome once again. We will study strings. Okay, they're going to they're going to we are then there we're going to have palindrome strings. Okay, now here we have palindrome numbers. So palindrome numbers are the numbers which, when reversed, are the same numbers. Now let us think of an method by which we can solve this problem. Problem statement is, we need to check whether the given number is palindrome or not. Same problem is in your LeetCode also. You can check that out. Okay, think of the solution first of all. Okay, think how you can solve this. Okay, pause the video and think of it. Okay, now let us see the solution, or let us see how you can solve this. What we have is 121. What I said is, if we reverse this number somehow, if we are able to reverse this number, then we will be able to check whether if we find the reverse of this number, then we will be able to check, yes, whether this particular number is palindrome or not. We know this is palindrome number and this is not. So first of all, let us check when the number is palindrome or not. What we need is to reverse this number. That means the 3 should come first, then the 2, and then the 1. That is the reverse of this particular number, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to uh, first of all take this number, and then we're going to have number as this. I'm going to remove this number and add it to reverse. Okay, I'm going to remove this number. I'm going to add it to reverse. I'm going to remove this number and add it to reverse. So for that, what I need to do is, uh, I need to get this number and remove this. So for getting this number, we have seen in the previous video, what you can do is num uh, uh, num is equals to num modulus 10, right? If you do this, what you're going to get is, you're going to get 3. Okay, you, rather than using num, because you need it after, sometime, let us store this number to temp. Okay, temp is equals to number. Okay, and we're using temp for our calculating. Okay, so temp is equals to temp modulo 10. So we're going to have 3. Now we need to add this number to 3. So for adding, what we will be doing, reverse is equals to reverse plus temp. Okay, initially reverse is equals to what? Reverse is equals to 0. Let me change the color. Reverse was equals to 0. We are just adding it to 3. Okay, now, again, what we need to have, I need to remove this, and I just need to consider this too. So for this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do temp is equals to temp 10. Okay, 10 floor 10, and this is going to give me temp value as 12. Okay, is that clear? Now again, I'm going to repeat the same process. These 3 steps I'm going to repeat. What I'm going to do, temp key value is 10. I'm going to do something like temp is equals to temp modulo 10, and I'm going to get 12 modulo 10 as 1. So I'm going to, sorry, I'm going to, is 2. Okay, so now I got the digit 2. Okay, wait, here we are reusing temp. Now temp value is 3 over here, so we need to change this variable. We don't need temp over here, we're going to need digit. Okay, so digit, we got the digit as 3. We are adding that digit to what? To reverse. Okay, and now I'm going to repeat these 3 steps. Digit is equals to, now digit will be what? Now digit will be equals to, uh here it will be temp, not digit. Now temp is 12, the digit will be 2, correct? Temp modulo 10, so digit will be 2. We need to reverse, add it to reverse. So reverse is 3 plus digit is 2. It is giving me 5. Means I want to add it over here. I don't want to add it to the number. If you're able to understand me, I want to add it over here. I don't want to add it to the number. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to multiply it by 10. Multiply it by 10 and add the digit to it. Multiply it by 10 and add the digit to it. Okay, so what I have, reverse value, previously it was 3, now sorry, previously it was 0. So 0 times 10 plus digit is 3, so we have 3 over here. Okay, similarly we will do over here. What is the value of reverse value is 3 times 10 plus the value of digit, that is 30 plus 2, 32. I got these two bit or these two digits. Now again I need to remove this 2 from here because I have added 2 over here. So that is temp is equals to temp floor division 10. So I'm going to get what? Just 1. Now I'm going to repeat this process again. That is digit is equals to what? 1 now, modulating it with by 10. Now reversing it, adding it to the reverse. So I'm going to get 321, and then temp will be equals to 0, and then that is the time when I'm going to stop the program, right? Now we're going to stop it. Okay, and then we will check if temp is equals to reverse, then yes, else no. Yes, and in this case it is no case. This was when we were having the number which was not palindrome. Similarly will be the case for palindrome. Now let us write the code for this. Okay, what we need to do first of all is we need to take the number. So number is equals to int input. We'll write some statement like enter the number. Okay, now we need to have the reverse digit reversing thing, and we will save the temp as now because temp is a variable where we are doing all our operations. Now we're going to use the while loop. Okay, while loop because we need to go till this happens. So temp, we need to go until temp is equals to 0 or greater less than 0. So if temp is less than 0, then we'll stop, or when it is equals to 0, then at that time we will stop. Now here what will be what is our first step? We are getting a digit of the number by modeling it by 10. Then what we're doing is we are adding it to reverse. Reverse is equals to reverse times 10 plus digit, correct? Then what we're doing is we are dividing temp. Temp is equals to floor dividing it by 10, correct? Now this process will go until we get temp equals to 0, and at this time if number is equals to reverse, then we will say print yes, else I'll say print no, correct? Now let us run this. Okay, enter the number, let us say 121, for checking if it is palindrome or not, and yes, it is palindrome number. Similarly, if it is not palindrome number, 123, and this is the case, correct? Now let us see one more method to do this problem right over here. Okay, I'll create a new code, new file. Now over here what I have is, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use strings. Okay, I'm going to use strings. I'm going to convert the number as we have done in count digit. We have converted it to string, and then we have found the length of that number. Same we're going to do over here. We're going to reverse it, and then we convert it to string. Then we will reverse the string, uh, and then what? And then we'll compare. Okay, first I'll take the number as input. Okay, similarly enter the number because we are checking it for number. Okay, it should not be you know, string. So enter the number. Now over here, I'll convert it to string. Okay. So str of num. Okay. Now I'm going to reverse it. So strings reversing will be like this. We have studied strings, so you should know the reversing, slicing operations and stuff like that. Now we will check if reverse number is equals to the numbers string, then print ds, else print no. Wasn't that again simple? We have used strings over here. Okay. Now let us solve this. Enter the number, let us say 123. No. Again, if we do 1221, then yes, it is. Okay. So this was very simple. Again, you need to go through, you need to find some logic to solve this problem. Again, both the solutions are big O of n, because once here we are using uh, in this the first method we are using the while loop to get three times the length of the numbers, and here again we are using conversion which takes big O of n time. Okay. So this is it for this video. I hope you like this video. We're going to solve more problems, and I guess the next problem is factorial of a number. Okay. So in next video we'll be talking about factorial of a number. Okay, yes, this is it for this. Do like it, do share it with your friends, do comment if you have any doubt regarding this question, or if you want any other problem to solve by me, you can comment down below. The solution, the Git repository of the both method you'll be getting in the description. Okay, go check that out. Also, do subscribe it so that you never miss any other update regarding the channel. You can watch the previous video, the discount digit over here. And yes, thank you.